Hey guys, Mr. Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 125 skill high grade Gundam H3 normal. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, you guys pretty know right now I love H. So whenever I see any H kids, I couldn't really like pass on them. H is my favorite series I watched, just so you guys know. So yeah, well. I got this kit at the Gunpla Expo. Well, surprise, surprise, I didn't expect to get it, but I did anyways. So basically, what really happened is that, I went to the Gunpla Expo with my friends on like last Saturday, yeah. And then, we were looking around the Gunpla Expo to see the exhibition, seeing the entries there. And this is the first trip. I'm going to the expo second time just to get know the GBC results. After that, the expo's over. So yeah, I didn't really expect to get this kit in the first place because, I know I love H, and when I see H, I just scream like a fangirl. But yeah, it is really interesting because it was in a pile of sales stuff right now. I think I got this for $20, like $20 for an H3. I cannot pass that up because it is. I want to get an H3 for quite a while, really, because H3 is like a little H. I built like the H1, I built the H2, the H Magnum, I built the HFX, but not an H3. So yeah, I saw H3 normal on sale. I was like, you know what, I'll just pick it up instead. And my other friends who went to Expo, they also got some stuff. My friend bought three kits. I think he bought like the Harrier HFX, Ruger Riser, and what's the last one? The high grade with custom era freedom, yeah. So you got those three. I bought like two kits, H3 and exclusive, which I'll show later in their unboxing. But yeah, H3. So yeah, and as you know, this is a reissue, as you can tell by the blue Bandai logo, because back then when H was out, I think the Bandai logo was red. So this is a reissue, and yes, it's Bandai Express as well. So it was made in 2012, and I was 13 years old when this thing came out. So yeah, you guys can calculate how old I remember right now. Yeah, on the side, it shows you this stuff you can stick front strap, back strap of the kit, and it's basically like a similar way to a Double Zeta, really. So you've got a core fighter, you got a G Scepter, and then the stuff you do, the Sigma Axis rifle, the beam sabers, which you can either use it handheld weapons or you can use it directly from the forearm, which I personally think they look better on doing it directly use the forearm. And you also get the stand, which is pretty neat. On the back we have the details about the H3 normal, and yeah, more and nice CGI. Yeah, since this is a reissue, you don't get the price on the code anymore, so this kind of sucks, really, because I really want to know how much this thing costs. But $20 for this kit is worth it. So I can it's more worth it than I thought. So yes, open the box. There's no tape because the Gunpla doesn't use tape for to secure the Gunpla. First back we have the polycaps. This is the story. What you seen Double and some other kits, but yeah, it is what it is. The stickers, not too bad, really. I can paint them, so there's no issue for that. And the A plate, you got the multi-color runner. You've got, this is why I would like all the H3 as opposed to the HFX, because the cockpit of the core fighter and the G Scepter are clear green, whereas the core fighter of the HFX comes in clear. I don't know why it came on clear green, but you know what, that doesn't matter because that's not a big deal. In the back, and you got the blue parts, and you got the red, white, some of the white parts here. You got the E-plate, which is the yellow part for the H3 normal. That's the core fighter thruster, the V-fin. So the legs, the shoulders, and more blue parts. It's the H3 normal, which is exclusive for the H3 normal. Some more joints, and then you get the parts for the Sigma Axis rifle. Yep. And yeah, And last part we have the white parts, which it's okay. Yeah, the beam sabers and some of the leg part I can tell. In the back we have more joints, and then you come and unlike any new kit you get. I mean, most of the time the new kits come with like a regular stand you can build, you can snap on your own. But this one comes with its own very own dedicated stand, which is pretty neat. Yeah, so that's the oh, don't fall up. All right, that's weird. Okay. Yeah. There is there. Yeah. So basically, H3 normal. I mean, yeah, I remember watching the show, but I know it's pretty memorable. I know it's not a good Gundam series, but I thought, yeah, it is. I was really happy when I first watched it back then. It just sort of a memory. So, yeah, even the manuals update. That's interesting. Yeah, this is the blue one. I did not know they actually updated that. That's just line of the H3. There's Kyo. Not the best pilot, but he is quite well since I don't know. Yeah, and you don't get CDs that often anymore, but on the back you have like the front and back shot, the model painted, this split, and in his old days, the Vega Moses, that's the Raga, and I think it's called the Danzine, yeah, that's his name. Oh my god, how can I remember these names? And the other forms of the H3, because you know if it's the H1 H3, you probably need to switch forms to see other battles. So you get the H3 Fortress, and then you get the H3 Orbital. Which personally for me, I personally like the Orbital the most out of the H3 variants, because, well, I think most of the time when I saw H, the Orbital is the most prominent one for me, I guess, because well it's I feel the Orbital is like the most used, like the most I guess most used and probably the most practical form of the H3. So yeah, and yeah, it's an assembly guy. I mean, I have not built an HK line. This format gives a lot of memories. But yeah, that's my unboxing of the high grade H3 normal. I will try building it because since my parents are on vacation right now, I'm alone in my house. So if maybe I'll probably do this weekend, who knows, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, sorry guys, thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.